Hey there guys, it's Tommy here, and I'm here to teach you about how I prevented hair loss. I started developing hair thinning problems when I was like 26 years old. That was like that's like 4 years ago. I noticed my scalp was starting to expose a bit, but I looked for alternatives. I tried Mind, I tried other hair products, but none of them worked until I found these simple products that do the trick. One of them is Alpecin caffeine shampoo, and then some moisturizer conditioner. Any brand is all right. Usually, I go for this brand because this is suitable. And finally, the most important ingredient, Recaine. Recaine. Now I apply this to my scalp. I apply this to my scalp every night before bed, and just massage into the scalp before bed every night. And it does the trick. It doesn't happen that quick. It does take quite a period of time. It takes up to a year, maybe a few months. Different people, different way. But keep in mind, this only works on young men. Anybody much older, anybody who's got like a complete bald head, it won't work at all. Because if there's no hair left, it won't work. Like I said, I repeat, this hack only works on those who are having a hair problem, who are suffering from a small hair loss or have a hair thinning problem. And there's also other things to do in order to keep your hair healthy. One, get plenty of sunshine. Be out a lot, go get exercise like running or jogging or walking, all the things that are good for your hair. And second, try to drink less, consume less food, consume less alcohol, anything. Basically, all the toxins that you ingest into your body, consume less of them in order to establish the growth of your hair. And finally, I'm trying to remember. And that's how you get thick hair just like this. I mean, I tell you, it was a nightmare, but I wasn't ready to give up. I mean, another fact: hair loss is not preventable, but it can be delayed. It can be delayed for a few more years. Like for me, I plan on keeping this up until I'm in my late 40s, when I'm married and have kids. Basically, all settled up. That's the best time to stop. If you want to get yourself one of these, the other two products are available in pretty much every supermarket. As for this stuff, they're available on Amazon. They're available on Amazon for about £50 for a 3-month supply. Thank you, everyone. I hope that sorry. I hope that helps you all, gives you guys a second chance in hair.